If you have an oily skin, then I'm sure you must be getting acne and pimples more frequently as compared to other skin types. क्योंकि ऑयली स्किन एक ऐसी स्पेसिफिक स्किन टाइप है जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा ऑयल प्रोड्यूस होता है, और ज़्यादा ऑयल प्रोड्यूस होने की वजह से हमारी जो स्किन है वो शाइनी दिखती है, ग्रीसी दिखती है, पोर्स बिकम लार्जर, dirt, dust and pollution accumulate on the skin that clog pores, and basically it creates an environment for the bacteria to thrive. Hi guys, my name is Nidhi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well and doing great. So guys, today's video is all about face wash and cleansers for oily and acne prone skin. एक बात बोलूँ मैं, अगर आपकी oily skin है ना, then you should actually be happy because oily skin too has their own benefits. Firstly, sebum, that is the excess oil, it forms a protective barrier on the skin that keeps our skin healthy and hydrated. Secondly, people with oily skin experience fewer wrinkles as compared to other skin types. So these are the two benefits. But problem कहाँ आती है? प्रॉब्लम तब आती है जब हमारी जो स्किन है वो एक्सेस ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करती है, तब दिक्कत आती है. देन वी नीड टू मैनेज एक्सेस ऑयल बाय इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग गुड स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स इन आवर स्किन केयर रूटीन टू गेट दैट क्लियर एंड हेल्दी लुकिंग स्किन. सो गाइस, लेट्स जस्ट क्विकली गेट स्टार्टेड. आई एम गोना बी टॉकिंग अबाउट 4 फेस वॉशेस दैट आर एक्चुअली मेंट फॉर ऑयली स्किन पीपल, दैट आर फॉर ऑयली एंड एक्ने प्रोन स्किन. But before moving further, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you know what you have to do. Please subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified and you will not miss any of my videos. So without any further ado, let's go. So before I show and tell you about the products, let's just quickly discuss why cleansing is important. The job of face wash and cleanser is to remove all the dirt, dust, pollution, makeup, any kind of impurities from the skin. It's the first step of skincare routine, and you need to choose, you need to pick the right cleanser according to your skin type. And guys, trust me, picking the right cleanser can make all the difference in how your skin feels and looks. Therefore, cleansing in morning and double cleansing at night is really very important. So today I'm going to be talking about 4 face washes that's gonna help people with oily skin and those have lots of acne on their face. The first face wash is the Dermaco 2% Salicylamide Anti-Acne Face Wash, and this contains 2% salicylic acid and 2% niacinamide in it. This Dermaco 2% Salicylamide Anti-Acne Face Wash comes with the power of 2 actives. 2% salicylic acid will work great on your active acne and 2% niacinamide will work on your pigmentation and acne marks. So you are getting both the benefits in just one product. So basically this face wash will help in removing excess oil, control breakouts, unclog pores, and side by side will work on your acne marks as well. The second face wash is Minimalist 2% Salicylic Acid Face Wash. It comes with LHA that makes it a multi-purpose cleanser that not only deeply cleanses your skin but will also gently exfoliate your skin as well as brighten up your skin tone. This face wash effortlessly removes impurities and dead skin cells, leaving skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated after every wash. Use this face wash daily as it has gentle yet effective formula. The third face wash is Neutrogena Oil Free Acne Wash. It comes with 2% salicylic acid. It's an alcohol-free cleanser that cleanses your skin deeply without over-drying your skin. This face wash deeply penetrates into the skin that cleanses pores. It's free from all kind of nasty chemicals, and the best part is it comes with microclear technology that cleans and clears your skin from within. The last one I have is the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser. They say it's for dry, rough and bumpy skin, but it's for oily skin people as well, as it is with 3 essential ceramides, hyaluronic acid and salicylic acid. So it's a multi-purpose cleanser that not only deeply cleanses but also exfoliates your skin really well. This cleanser contains no harsh microbeads and works gently on the skin. It gently exfoliates dead skin cells and other impurities from the skin without disrupting the skin's natural barrier. It removes all the dirt, oil, makeup and leaves with smooth, hydrated and soft skin. So guys, that's it, and that brings us to the end of the video. And lastly, I just want to say that आप इन चारों फेस वॉशेस में से ना कोई भी फेस वॉश ट्राई कर सकते हो. दे ऑल आर वेरी गुड फॉर ऑयली स्किन पीपल, क्योंकि आपके स्किन को अच्छे से डीपली क्लीन कर देगा, एक्सफोलिएट भी करेगा, बिकॉज मैनी ऑफ देम आर मल्टीटास्किंग क्लेंजर्स, एज वेल एज आपकी स्किन को ना ओवर ड्राई भी नहीं करेगा. बहुत ही बढ़िया क्लेंजर्स है, आप इन चारों में से कोई भी ट्राई कर सकते हो। इन चारों प्रोडक्ट्स के डिटेल्स एंड लिंक्स मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रोवाइड कर दूंगी। अगर आपको वहां से परचेज करना है, उस लिंक पे क्लिक करके आराम से परचेज कर सकते हो, ठीक है। एंड दैट्स इट गाइस, आई होप यू गाइस फाउंड दिस वीडियो यूजफुल एंड हेल्पफुल। वीडियो अच्छी लगी देन प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन and also do subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So please do that. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.